This is Taylor. That's Courtney Taylor. Did he?
I love you though.
Him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you want from McDonald's? Teen should be plenty to get.
This is Happy Taylor.
Graham crackers. Graham cracker time. Graham cracker time.
Say hi.
What am I supposed to do?
Ooh. 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 Aftershave. Yes, he eats it. Bad aftershave.
And
That is Taylor
but everything, eyes,
eating
everything
his
went. And it just is a
Cheerios and
I
hair.
had never heard of it.
That's
They
Benji.
said she was burning, and she's in the burn unit. She's
That
skinned raw.
is
Ain't that horrible?
Who is this?
It's a girl
Wanda.
that goes to church where we go.
Julie.
It's just horrible. She's in the burn unit. I can't think of anything.
Tilt your head up. No, I mean really high up.
I imagine the pain is
Nope,
probably
no
just
boogers.
there.
Okay, let's see what's in her eye.
But
Ta-da! Her ear.
Huh?
Julie's
she's in
eye.
nursing home. She's been in there like 2 weeks.
There's
You're on
Rod.
camera, Rod.
Had to get ordered.
Nice one.
We can see the teeth, Rod.
Good.
Never heard of it.
What's that? Is that the fan? Where is he?
Like I said,
There he
she's
is. You're right here, you are.
When they found it, that ain't that
Ding.
long ago. And I guess people before that just died and they didn't know what.
There you are.
But they said big blisters come up in the skin. Then it's
See other people in the house.
all over. Horrible, horrible, horrible.
Oh, we're being filmed.
Yes, you are. There's Grandma. There
If
you
we're
are.
lucky, she doesn't have any film in the camera.
Yeah.
No, I do.
She's so much like
It's
Anthony.
probably a digital camera.
Get one over there.
I do.
Get grandma.
See, we have this cute little old man in the nursing home.
Oh, let's go down the hall.
And he falls. He always hits on that.
Who's down here? It's
He was in
Grandpa.
our class.
Then
Oh, you don't want to do that. Peggy
There's
Russell, she was in our class.
people from their class. Now let's go down the hall again. Then. Da, 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 da. I'm gonna zoom on that person. Oh, that's me. What's that? It's me. It's me. Oh, that's really close! Ah! Hey, get that red dot on my eye. Don't you wish your girlfriend was a freak like me? Go down the hall again.
They said it's I guess it is all over the.
There's Julie again. And where is Taylor?
one time he
Where'd he go?
gone out where the people smoke.
Whoa! Look how far I have to go down to get Taylor. Look.
Ain't that awful?
Give
my hand.
Ham is nasty, people.
It's delicious.
Delicioso. Dude, the ham is delicious. Look at the devil food.
Yeah.
There's that speck of ham.
I don't get him in it.
Ew, he's eating the devil food.
Edge.
Look at his eye.
Because sometimes you have to just kind of manhandle it.
Ew.
I can imagine.
And, you know, because his feet won't be right to turn and, you know.
I've been afraid she'd break her back or something. I don't know how you do it.
I do. I hear
I just don't know how.
I don't either.
I don't
That
know how you do it.
was her eye.
Mm-hmm.
The ham feeders.
You ought to have good muscles.
Here with me and Ron.
I will.
It's Benji. Benji's
Someday
morning.
someone will put this all on a CD.
Well,
Tell
she
her
sends
children.
it to everybody on
Would you
the
look at that?
We get,
VCR.
once a month, Julie sends me pictures of the baby on the computer. It's just great.
Anybody looking goofy?
Probably. I look like a dog every time. I just hate it. Betty just hates it when she sits
Oh,
on
I
it.
see some of them. There's one lately that I've got my tongue hanging out the corner of my mouth.
Like a
you're
puppy,
right.
yeah.
Camera food.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
She's the one.
There's Taylor. There's Rod. Let's see what. Well, nobody watching. You're on camera, Rod. Smile. Smile.
And I've got the baby since he's just born every month.
Smile. You're on camera. You're on camera. No, you're not. I'm joking. Here's Julie, the ham feeder.
Take him in our back room, that's Owen's room, put him in bed and turn the light out.
And that's the end of it.
And you can just see him just settling down. And he's asleep before you can leave the room. It's just amazing.
Beats all I've ever heard.
It is.
That's nice.
It is.
That's, well, I tell you what, you've done something right.
I put him in his bed from night one.
Well, it worked.
It is.
That's
It's just amazing.
Benji.
Instead of having him tired and crying and all of that.
He knows what the...
Too chicken. Too chicken.
Stooped over so loud.
Yeah, we are getting. I remember that little Ford they had. No, Doris Jean and
Santa pin.
You're gonna have to
that
erase
Russia
that.
girl.
The Santa pin.
Pardon?
The Santa pin.
Oh, you getting picture Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Oh,
The Santa
okay.
earrings.
Oh, the earring.
I got two. Santa earrings.
There's Doris Jean.
Bunch of gifts. That's Annie
She did.
and my mom and the ham feeder, aka Julie.
Bless her heart, that's hard.
Well, she's
There's no
just
pickle
smoking as
jar.
much as ever. And
That right there is just goofy.
got it. Okay, everybody, look at me. Perfect. Thank you.
Wait, dude.
Abby's still at it.
Now, have you looked at her? She's going to show you, because she'll show you all of them right now.
Taylor.
How many pictures does that thing take? You've been.
Oh,
I told
that?
her. Yeah.
oh, I gave her a disc that she can play with.
Oh.
Yeah. She's recording.
Hey, boo.
Hey, Julie, don't do Abby. I mean, don't do that. It'll make you sick at your stomach. You know, where
She
you,
may not be like me.
The first time I go,
Happy?
I couldn't watch it. I got to.
yeah. I
Yes,
have
last
to.
year's Christmas video was not that
Hey,
good.
can you show one to some of her and Dwayne?
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
no I can't. Because, wait.